My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and I was a teaching instructor with IRS for over a decade. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTubes are short, sweet. They're about 3 minutes. I get in and out of these really quick. So I want to talk to you today about IRS debt negotiation. Does IRS how and when does IRS negotiate with you to settle your tax debt? If you have an IRS tax debt, you can go ahead and try to negotiate that debt anytime. It's important to know that you must be current on all your tax filings and current in the year you're in. That means you have to be making withholding and estimate payments. So how does IRS negotiate? They do that through the what's called the Offer and Compromise program. I used to teach that program at Internal Revenue Service when I was an instructor. I used to accept and deny offers and compromise. My M&M man knows, he's giving me a thumbs up and you. So what that program is you have to fill out two forms for that, the 433 OIC and the 656. You really have to know this program. Just don't go picking up the forms or hiring some company to do that, because probably over 50% of the companies out there, they hire salesmen and they kind of shake you down for large fees. So to find out if you're a qualified candidate, IRS actually has a PreQualifier tool. They have the best PreQualifier tool out there. You can walk through that program yourself. Go to irs.gov and look at the PreQualifier tool. And then if you think you're a viable candidate for that debt negotiation, you want to call a tax professional who really knows what they're doing. So basically, for instance, if I see your 433A financial statement, I will know at the end of the last page whether you're a viable candidate or not. So you have the criteria, and the two things that IRS looks at the most are your assets and your ability to pay with your income and expenses. So IRS is not going to settle your debt if you have $100,000 in assets. They're not going to settle your debt for any less than $100,000. And then IRS has a national standard program, and you have to live within their budgetary means. So IRS will go ahead and accept your offer and accept your income versus your expenses. There's a lot to an offer. You can try this yourself if you don't owe a lot of money. Most of them do get rejected. 2/3 get rejected. If you have a high dollar case, you shouldn't be doing this by yourself. You should hire a tax professional. So yes, IRS does negotiate. Make sure all your returns are filed. Make sure you're current. Go to the PreQualifier tool. If you think you qualify, talk to a tax professional today. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up.